We're gonna remove the vinyl and underneath it's a wood.
I was finna write a song, but I've been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I'm still getting goosebumps.
Whoa! Look at this. Who am I? I didn't put anything on my lips, but let me show you, baby. I decided to start playing around with makeup. And in person it looks really good. Very subtle, but like fun. Like, whoa. Alright, so good morning, world. Hello. Yes, I sing a lot. I can't sing, or maybe I can sing. I don't know. I think I've convinced myself that I can sing. Today is a very exciting day. Why? Because we're gonna go shopping for a floor for my kitchen and my entryway, which I'm so excited about. It's gonna be like beautiful, but I have to figure out what I want. I know what I want in my head, but what am I gonna do on my floor? So we're gonna do, I don't know how long this vlog will be, but I think it'd be fun for you to come along with me. And I'm moving around a lot because I am late. I gotta go to Jay's game tonight. Got a lot of things to do, so my back. So yeah, I'm obsessed with these jeans. Fun fact, I used to not fit them so tight, so snugly. Now I do. Great. You can probably see my room. It looks looking a little messy. So I'm gonna go pick up mi madre, as always, because my mom's gonna, yeah, my mom's just the bomb, and y'all know that. I get all of my talent from my mom and dad. So they're usually 95% on a project with me, or they've taught me. So, okay, not 95, but yeah, maybe 99. So I'm gonna go pick them up. Gotta figure out what's going on for dinner tonight. Yeah, just the same old same. So if you're new to my channel, hello, and let's get rocking and rolling.
Goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding to kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that.
Mom, you don't even realize that it's there.
I don't even know. I don't pay attention. Hello,
That's
everybody.
So good. So those of you who don't know, this is my mother. And we just came up, well, she did, came up with a genius idea. So instead of us getting a new floor, which we were just gonna do, and then put it on top of what we have already,
It's so much easier to remove the existing vinyl tile that's covering a beautiful wood floor.
so we're gonna remove the vinyl, and underneath it's a wood floor.
Strip and sand the original wood floor, the oak floor.
Yeah. Yes. And then we may stain it, or we may not, but we don't know until we find out what's underneath it.
Right.
So we're gonna go home right now. Well,
it's been covered with
actually,
vinyl tile for 20 years.
yeah. So it might be a lot of glue. Or a lot
Not
of layers.
worried about the glue.
Any layers?
Not
Or is
worried
that
about the
first
glue,
layer?
but because it's a kitchen and a dining room, don't know if there was any previous water damage or something that would throw off the look.
Yeah. Which there might be some in the corner.
Because I don't
Where I had
remember
a plant.
why.
You know which corner I'm talking about too.
Well, we'll put the plant right back if it's in the corner. No problem.
Yeah, there might be some water damage underneath my pot that I had over there because I put so much water trying to, you know, make them alive.
Sanding a layer or two off also removes a lot of the stains. So, to be continued.
So we're gonna get a torch, and we actually have to run PC Richards for something else, but let's go. So my mom just told me that I have I keep getting migraines, so she said I have a deficiency of vitamins. So I'm chugging carrot juice. And vitamin D, all that stuff. I need a sun, I need a vacation. So
take it to the next level.
Yeah.
Just drink a glass of milk.
No milk. We're about to get started. We're gonna start over here in this little corner because it's behind this. So my mom just pulled this out. And then we're gonna start in the corner and torch this sucker up. I do have to change, but yeah, we're gonna get started. This is gonna be really cool. My mom also said that if you don't have a torch and you want to do this at home, you could do it with an iron, a blow dryer.
An iron with a wet washcloth so the steam lifts it once it's heated.
You hear her? Sound on. But we're going to do it with a torch, and then if we need to do it like she does that, I do something else. Let me change my shirt. Oh my god, it's coming up. Don't burn yourself, Mom.
The first piece is the hardest.
Oh my gosh, we have wood floors! This was genius! Can we just like melt it and then...
Well, I gotta learn the pace. Because what Daddy did too, when he needed to replace a floor tile, Kelly,
yeah,
he would heat a tile up, heat this glue up, and put a brand new tile with no glue right on top of this, and make it work.
Wow.
I also have a cup of water, that pink cup of water on the radiator, so that if I have a forest fire...
We're gonna have a forest fire?
No, so if I have a forest fire, I got water to dump on it.
Very smart. Wow.
So see how I said we're probably gonna have to take this wood off? Because see how I got it right here?
Yeah.
I may not be able to
We
get
do
it.
it after though.
I know, but right now we can get what we can. Now, because we don't want too big of a mess, and this is dry. There's nothing sticky on it. I do want to see, this is sticky now just from heating it.
Yeah.
What we would have to do to remove this.
And here we were going to buy wood floors, but you never know what's underneath your flooring, you know? So before you go out and buy some, if you have an older house, which this house is like 60s?
1948.
Okay, 48. You definitely have wood flooring underneath, so no need to buy, just fix what you have.
A little elbow grease.
Yeah, and this is literally the look that you pay for now, so like, I have wood floors! Yay! Okay, cool. So I just wanted to show you because we did a good section and portion of the kitchen so far. For doing it for like maybe 10 minutes, not even. Just to share with you like how we did it is we took the blowtorch, right? Get this at Home Depot. You're gonna start in the middle. Well, first, I like to use a dustpan to like clean up the area. Start in the middle to heat up your fire, but you're gonna slant it like this to turn it on. Start in the middle. Make sure you get your edges. Put that baby down. Probably shouldn't have done it so close to that, but it's fine. And then now, this will just peel up. If this is the floor that you have, Mom, this is vinyl?
Yes.
Vinyl flooring.
Commercial tile.
Some pieces are easier to peel up, some are harder. We're noticing that this stuff is really heavy, so putting in garbage bags, you're gonna need like several garbage bags because it gets so heavy. But smaller pieces, I mean, it doesn't matter as long as it comes up. So I'm just gonna heat up this portion. I probably would do this better if I wasn't filming because I could just go for it. So I'm gonna maybe time lapse this, I don't know. But I will show you what it looks like after. So I'm gonna keep going. I have to rush to a game right now, but this is what we did so far. You see like there's diamonds because there was diamonds in my flooring. We're using glue stripper right now to remove the glue, but the smell's so strong. So make sure that you read the instructions if you're trying to use that, because you should use like a mouth guard and all that stuff. We have the windows open. Mouth guard meaning the mask. But trying to get the glue up. We're gonna use a different method, but we're realizing that like it's so much easier to take off the tile. And then it's the glue. The work is in the glue. Like the tile, it like pops up like as you're just going. Like that's easy. Now the glue part, we will master by the end of this. By the time we get to the, you know, the back of the kitchen, we'll figure it out hopefully. So we just pushed that back just to see what it looks like, and the wood against the wood, it's gonna be a little interesting. I gotta figure that out. Yeah, it's gonna be gorgeous. It's just now I feel like the field, like everything, you know, I gotta style it. Whatever. Not tonight, but tomorrow we will continue to try, and we have to head to Jonathan's game right now. So we're gonna push back everything and go to Brooklyn.
Hello, Miss Rooster, Kelly Rooster.
I still get goosebumps when